The Ford Mustang is an American automobile vehicle manufactured by Ford Motor Company. It is currently in its 6th generation, and today I'm proudly to present to you the new 2015 Ford Mustang GT in black. The new Mustang GT comes with a 5-liter V8 engine boasting 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, which is even more powerful this year. The new advanced engine is intended to maximize power generation from every compression, with larger intakes and exhaust valve, new cylinder heads with revised high-flow ports, and new intake, as well as the new exhaust camshaft with increased lift. For 2015, the Ford Mustang is also sharper, with new standard signature LED tri-bar tail lamps with sequential turn signal indicator. Dual exhaust tailpipes are also standard on all models. The aerodynamic on the new Mustang have also been improved. The new body is 1.5 inches wider and sits 1.4 inches lower than previous model. The front also featured the standard new signature HID headlamps with integrated tri-bar LED daytime running lamps to match with the LED tail lamp. The new Mustang also featured a brand new suspension system for both the front and the rear. The new double ball joint front suspension improved high performance driving dynamic, allowing for larger brake without excessive wheel offset that would affect steering feel, and the all new integral link independent rear suspension that help improve body roll and isolate road imperfection for a better feel, improved ride, as well as precise handling. Up front, the Mustang GT offers a very aggressive stance thanks to the newly redesigned trapezoidal grille, and of course could not be done without the help of the newly designed signature HID headlamp that comes with the integrated LED tri-bar daytime running light, turn signal light, and fog light. At the bottom is the aggressive air dams that direct air into the engine. And a closer look at the trapezoidal grille with Mustang logo in the middle. The Mustang GT also comes standard with dual air vent on the hood for air to pass through. Beautiful lines throughout the exterior. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the 18-inch magnetic machine aluminum wheels with 235/50 Pirelli tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with the large brake caliper for better braking. Brake caliper are painted in silver. Five-liter badge on each fender. Body color side view mirror. And here is a look to the top. Rear wheels are also 18 inches. Behind the rear wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the brake caliper painted in silver as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system with traction control as well as electronic stability control. To the back, first thing you will notice is the new LED tri-bar tail lamps that come standard on all models. LED tail lamps also feature the famous Mustang sequential turn signal indicator. Very cool looking taillight. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with rear deflector built into the diffuser. Dual round chrome tip exhaust that blasts out an amazing V8 sound. GT logo on the trunk lid. The regular model will have the Mustang logo instead, and that's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And here's a look at the rear spoiler with great design. Third LED brake light on top. Okay, here I have the remote. Very cool looking remote. Very stylish. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, trunk release and panic button. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The Mustang GT does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as black, featuring a full black interior with cloth seats and white contrast stitching on the seat, black on the dash, as well as door panels with silver aluminum trims and chrome accenting trims throughout. Very cool looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Ford Mustang GT have to offer. Under the hood is a 5-liter TI-VCT V8 engine with sequential multi-port electronic fuel injection, 6-speed gate-rack manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, pushing out 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds, and hit the quarter-mile time in just 12.8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city and 25 combined. Very impressive. Now let's shut it down and take it out for a short test drive so we can see how it performs. So the Mustang GT accelerates very quickly. As you already know, this model has the 6-speed manual transmission, so it is very responsive. In first, second and third gear, it just accelerates really quick, and you can really feel the 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque pushing your body back to the seat as you accelerate away. Very fast. So as you can see, it is really wet out here today, and I don't want to drive it really fast. Even though the roads are wet, the Mustang handles it really well. There is very minimum wheel slip, and I actually like the way the Mustang drive and handle better than the new Dodge Challenger, and that's just my opinion. impressive ride. So here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with white contrast stitching and aluminum trims on it. Both windows are fully automatic. Door lock and unlock. Storage compartment on the door. Mustang door sill. And here's the sports pedal. And a closer look at the seat. It is cloth with white contrast stitching on it. Both front seats feature power adjustable front seat. Driver seat with power lumbar support. Now the 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel you have the turn signal light controlled and the windshield wiper controlled. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. And here's a look to the gauge with the status screen in the middle. Over to the left you have the driver's side air vent, light controlled, instrument light controlled, and rear fog light. Just turn the knob around to switch light on and off. Beautiful trims. Here you have the trunk release button. And a closer look at the dash. There's the Mustang logo on the dash. Heavily bolstered seat for the rear passenger. Now on the center stack you have the 3 circular air vent with chrome accenting trims around it. Here you have your multimedia controlled and telephone controlled and different sources on the left. And you can just move the up and down, right or left arrow to make selections, or press OK to select.
Why Discover Card monitors every purchase every day to help keep your account protected from suspicious activity.
Climate controlled, emergency hazard light, traction on and off, and the steering wheel setting. Down here you have the USB plug as well as the 12-volt power outlet. Okay, here's the look at the gear lever with silver aluminum trims on top and chrome accenting trims around it. Just pull the lever located in the middle up to get into reversed. Once you're in reversed, the backup camera will display on the multimedia screen with a guidance line. It will also move as you turn the wheel to help with a much easier backup. And without pressing the middle button, you'll get into first gear, second gear, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Very easy to use. There's the dual cup holder and the handbrake. Center storage compartment with a USB auxiliary input and another 12-volt power outlet. Glove box compartment. And here is another look at the seat. Very nice sport seat. On top you have the light controlled, and here's the rear view mirror. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat offers seating for 2, and it is heavily bolstered, as you can see, offer plenty of support. Now let's get into the rear seat and see how it is in the back. And here's a look to the front cabin. Very nice cabin. And look to the top. Behind the headrest you have the hook, one on each side. And rear seats look like it does offer plenty of support. I'm 5'8", and this is how it looks in the back with that much legroom left. So if you're taller than 5'8" or maybe 6 feet, you will be a little tight in the back. But for myself, I'm pretty comfortable right now. And rear seats does offer split folded options. Just pull the string to fold down the rear seat to get more cargo space. Alright, just pull the lever and push it up to get out. Now let's open up the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. And the gas cap is located on the driver's side. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and hold approximately 16 gallons of fuel. And it does not have the cover, so you just kind of stick the nozzle inside and take it out. Alright, the trunk in the Mustang GT offers 13.5 cubic feet of cargo space, which is pretty decent for its class. And remember, rear seat does fold down if you need to fold it down for extra cargo space. And down here look like you have your spare tire and your tool supposed to be, but I don't see it in there. Overall, the 2015 Ford Mustang is an American muscle coupe with seating for 4 passengers, offering tons of power with fast accelerations. Rear seats offer decent space with 30.6 inches in legroom, 52.2 in shoulder rooms, and 34.8 headrooms, as well as 47.4 hip room. Now let's get into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Front passenger seat offer plenty of space, still have plenty of legroom left, and it is pretty comfortable in the front. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the new 2015 Ford Mustang GT video. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video of cars. And I'll see you guys next time.